I'm pretty excited, ready to get it done. Probably a few years ago when I noticed it kind of thinning out on the front, and I just kind of neglected it for years, and then I finally shaved it a few months ago and decided to come here at PAI and try to figure something out for myself. I chose to get the multi-unit hair grafting because it had the most hair follicles. Now I'm just looking forward to get it done and just see how it's going to turn out. I feel pretty good. My hair's grown back and I can actually comb it over and do what I want with it. The biggest change is probably actually having hair again and not having to worry about how it looks. I can just be myself and not worry about it, a bald spot or anything like that. Some people have seen my hair done. They're like, man, your hair looks nice and thick, and they definitely approve. My barber's gotten pretty good on covering the scar, and I just tell them to do like a crop top, taper fade, fade it down to with my beard and just make it all fresh and clean, crispy. It just gives you confidence, having hair again. I work with a guy that is balding. He has to wear a bandana every day. I don't have to wear a hat every day. I can, brush my hair and just go to work normal and not have to worry about being bald anymore. I recommend We Grow Hair. They're a great company. They've been nice to me. They've been fun, and I'm just excited. I might even get S&P eventually. It'll just densify my scalp and just make your hair look darker and fuller. Your hair is already thick as it is, but the S&P just gives it where it's a little more like your scalp's darker, almost like a tattoo similar. Everybody wants it now, but it is a year. You have to wait to get your full result. But it's kind of overwhelming at the beginning, but it is definitely worth the wait.